What's up, everybody? Oz here, Wicked Garage with...
What's up, guys? Pete here. Today, we're getting rid of the dreaded bread tie.
Not the bread tie.
Shit, we should probably keep this in case this fucks up. Today, we are getting rid of the bread tie. I've had this on my car since I've got it. My little plastic piece that holds the hood prop up has been broken. And you're probably going to say, oh, why don't you just go to a junkyard and get one? Why didn't you spend $30 on eBay? Well, I didn't want to do that. Instead, I spent $90 on these nice gas struts. So today we're going to show you how to install them.
$90?
90 bucks, bro. That's how much they cost. But
can't we get them cheaper on eBay?
They're American made, brother.
Oh, okay.
From Michigan.
Okay, that's worth it.
I like American stuff in my Jap car, so that's what we're going to do today. So it comes with brackets, what you need to install. They want you to put rivets on. We're not doing that because I'm going to paint these black eventually. I don't know why they gave them chrome, but
everything's got to be chrome.
Yeah, we're going to paint those, but I ended up going to Ace Hardware. Need about 10 bolts, 10 washers. It was about $4. You'll need some masking tape. Tape measure, 3/16 drill bit, and a drill, and that's about it. So we're gonna get started here.
So we went ahead and we pre-drilled our holes. I was a little off on one, so I had to put in a couple in. We just kind of tested it. We've actually assembled it to make sure we were where we were, because we didn't want to look like idiots on camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this together. This is really tricky. You may want to go ahead and use the freaking pop rivets. I guarantee that I'm going to drop this bolt because I didn't the first time. So, this is really fun. I'm going to start out with since we're using bolts, I'm only going to be able to do 2. I can't, my fingers aren't long enough to get to the 3rd one. Cameraman.
Good.
Alright, so, and this is where I got the first one in the middle. I can't quite reach that one. If you got bigger hands, you may be able to do it. But so now we're going to do the same with this. Holy shit, I did it. I didn't drop the bolt. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. And now you can see that's pretty tight. It would be, I do want to put one in there because that drives me nuts. I don't want to be at a show and be like, hey, where's that other one? It fell out. Anyway, so once we did that, oh shit. That one's for the other side now. When you take these...
We didn't plan this out very well.
When you put these on, these clips are a pain in the ass to get off. To pop it out, you got to pull this with put a straight slot and kind of pop it out. It's kind of a pain in the ass. But we'll do it again. So what we did was, and they give you a measurement to put your bolt, or to where to put the other bracket. What we decided we were going to do is, we're just going to do it this way. We're going to push that on. We're going to push this one on. Dude, I swear to God, it went right on the last time. Get in there. Got it. And then we just kind of slid it up. This thing's actually a little long. How come I never ever like put tools down out of the way, but when the camera's on. Alright, so I'm going to get that one started. Don't tighten it all the way because you're going to have fun wiggling the other side. And you're going to want to grab the nut or the wrench to tighten it on the other side. That's one thing I didn't do, but oh, look at that, it's nice and tight now. Main thing you want to do it make sure is that this doesn't loosen up on you. So I'll come back and snug that. But now that we've got it, we can pull this loose. Oh, where'd the bow tie go? Beautiful. And there's quite a bit of resistance on it. It actually takes a little bit of effort to get that up, and that's only on one side. So now we're just going to go and do it on the other side. And maybe we'll show you some more. So we got it done. What did it take us? Probably 45 minutes.
Yeah, we had to run out to the hardware store and get some new bolts, but other than that,
I'm pretty impressed. And I went into this thinking, now I'm thinking, yeah, I might get one. Now it doesn't have enough tension that it's gonna fucking lift itself up on its own, and you actually have to push it. When you get it to about there, it'll stay about there. Now, one of the things for me is, it sells it for me, is I want to be at the show, I want to see the top of my hood, and I want to see the engine. So it's nice to have it there like that. And you could do that all day long, unless some kid's going to grab it, it's not coming down.
Yeah, these are pretty good.
So what was the name of the kit?
It's called Redline Racing, LLC. You can get them on eBay, they're about $90. They're from Michigan, so they're American made, which is nice.
And the nice thing about it is, $90 seems like a lot, but go price those struts.
Yeah.
It's worth buying the kit. So I'm definitely impressed.
Yeah, for a little install, a little spruce up the engine a little bit, it's nice for what it is.
So there you guys go. And you know, we're gonna go clean up and get some tacos. And we'll see you guys in the next thing. You guys get out in the garage.
See you next time.
Y'all ain't know, I go by the name of Lupe Fiasco, representing that food stand 15. Yeah, and this one right here, I dedicate this one right here to all my homies out there grinding. You know what I'm saying? Legally and illegally. You know what I'm talking about? So, check it out. First got it when he was 6, didn't know any tricks. Matter of fact, first time he got on it, he slipped, landed on his hip and busted his lip. For a week he had to talk with a list like this. Now we can end the story right here, but shorty didn't quit, it was something in the air. Yeah, he said it was something so appealing, he couldn't fight the feeling, something about it. He knew he couldn't doubt it, couldn't understand it. Branded, since the first kick flip he landed. Labeled a misfit, a bandit. Cocoon, cocoon, cocoon. His neighbors couldn't stand it, so he was banished to the park. Started in the morning, wouldn't stop after dark. Yeah, when they said it's getting late in here, so I'm sorry, young man, there's no skating.